beautiful day across the valley today. Bright sunshine, just some patchy cirrus clouds moving across the area. This is the view again from Sky 5 on South Padre looking out into the Gulf. We've had that ship there for 2 or 3 days now at least, and the oil rigs that you see out there. Some days when it's too humid, there's clouds around, you can't see the oil rigs out there. They're parked just a little ways offshore, but on a clear day they stand out. You can really see them. 63 degrees there. Here are temperatures across the entire valley. Warmer pretty much every place else. 64 in Port Isabel, 67 from Raymondville to Brownsville, and then 70s when you get into the western part of the valley. Tonight will be another cool night across the region as temperatures drop into the upper 40s and low 50s. Not as cool as last night. Most of us were down close to 40 last night, some places in the upper 30s, but I think it's still a chilly night. And then tomorrow we bounce back upper 70s, even low 80s in a few places during the daytime tomorrow. Should be a pretty nice day across the area, but probably just a few clouds creeping in and a little bit of a breeze southeast at 15 to 25. If you look at the next 3 days, notice how temperatures climb. We go up, 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 and by Monday you're looking at 87, and if we had a 4th day on there Tuesday, we're looking at about 94 on Tuesday. So we're really going to warm up into the early part of next week. Another front middle of the week will cool it off again. Look at those clouds racing across. Again, they're just cirrus clouds way up high in the atmosphere, kind of streaking across our skies, and they'll continue to move through tonight and tomorrow. But it's still chilly tonight. During the daytime tomorrow, with the wind back out of the southeast, we'll start to see dew points come up, meaning humidity comes up a little bit, so it'll start to be just a little bit more humid tomorrow. Sunday, a little bit more than that, and still bright blue skies with just some patchy clouds around the area on Sunday. Both days of the weekend look pretty nice, and even Monday looks pretty good, albeit a little bit windy. We're dry through the weekend. We see little to no chance of rain really through the next 7 days. If we go a little bit wider and take a look at the rest of South Texas, you'll notice that the mild temperatures have spread northward. San Antonio 70 right now, Dallas is 64, and there's just those high clouds that are reaching into the state as we speak. That's about it, but nothing to produce any rainfall. Well, as we look at the next couple of days, Future Track takes us into tomorrow. You start to see the isobars showing up. We don't always have them on there, but there's one, there's one, there's one, there's another one. What that means is you start to get a pretty good wind going across those isobars. So starting tomorrow, we'll get a little bit more of a breeze. Then look at Sunday, a bunch of those isobars in the state, and that means we get to be pretty windy, and it stays that way into Monday as well. I think by Tuesday, the flow may come a little bit more out of the south rather than southeast, and that makes Tuesday really warm. Upper level winds are going to be downsloping over the mountains of Mexico. They'll come out of the southwest. They'll go down over the mountains, and that makes it a hot weather pattern for us on Tuesday. But then the fronts come through late Tuesday into Wednesday, and that cools things off again for the middle part of the week. But until then, it's a warming trend. So let's look at it. At the coast, here's what we expect. Southeast winds 15 to 25 knots. The bay rather choppy. UV index is very high. Bay temperature 64, the surface 62. There are the next 3 tides, starting with a low just after midnight, 2 more after that. Seas about 3 to 6 feet, and there are no advisories for Saturday at all. So for tonight, your low 48, partly cloudy, light southeasterly winds, and then tomorrow it's a mix of clouds and sun, but probably more sun than clouds. It's breezy, it's warm. Southeast winds 15 to 25 miles an hour. Your high tomorrow 78 degrees. Here's your First One 5 AccuWeather forecast for the next 7 days, and notice we warm it up, up to Tuesday when we're at 94. And then that front comes in late Tuesday, early Wednesday, and it's breezy and cooler on Wednesday. Only 74 Wednesday, 75 on Thursday, and 78 on Friday. So it's a warming trend through Tuesday, and then temperatures drop once again. But for tomorrow, a high of 78. Looks like a nice, rather breezy Saturday across the valley. That's your updated First One 5 AccuWeather forecast.